Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I don't know what's going to happen. Basically I'm staying at the Premier Inn near King's Lynn, so the Premier Inn at King's Lynn. I've got 2 nights stay. Basically was on a job, a rabbit control job. However, we finished, so I've got 2 days spare. So whilst I'm here, I'm going to explore the surrounding areas, yeah, and just see what we can find and get up to. I've just been looking on my phone for places to visit, and the first place I seen was a fishing history place, fishing museum. So I'm gonna go there first, and then just see what else we get up to. So, all right, bear with me. Let's go and explore. Okay, so I've parked in what they call the Tuesday Market, which is pretty smart, surrounded by some of all these old buildings. The old cinema there, that one there, it's pretty cool. Duke's Hotel. So yeah, I parked up. I can only get a ticket for 1 hour though, because I didn't have enough change. I only had £2.50, and a 2-hour ticket is £2.80. And you can't pay by card, so I've only got an hour to get about and have a look, which is probably long enough. So I'm gonna head down to the fishing museum now.
What stew are we having, Ma? Rabbit. Do you think Dad will bring us back some shrimps? I like shrimps better.
Just like your dad, my boy. Always preferred fish to game.
What are you knitting, Nanny?
I'm making you a Gansey. When you grow up, you'll be a fisherman like your dad. And a fisherman needs his Gansey. It'll keep you warm and dry when the sea tries to soak you to the bone.
Alright, so that's it done in the museum. Yeah, that museum was pretty decent. It was alright. £3 to get in, and yeah, it was just good to look back on the old the history of the place. I'm going to head to a place called Castle Rising, which is an old castle ruin, which ain't very far away. It's only 14 minutes away, so I'm going to go there, have a look around there, get the dog out, go for a walk, and then probably head up to the coast a bit later on. Bud, here. Just had my protein shake. And Ginsters pasty. And Ginsters. Now we're going to have a look at the castle. Bud, here. There's free parking. Shame I've not got the drone. I would have got some nice drone footage. There you go. That's Castle Rising. Yeah, this bit's interesting. He killed a lion by tearing his tongue out. Well, I'm just going to chill here for probably another hour. Just reading my old book. I've read it once. Not my old book, Jonathan Darcy's book. He talks about his first memories of coursing. I think he said he was 11 years old in this introduction. So it got me thinking, what was your first day out, if you can remember? Let us know in the comments. Let's go to the beach and get these ferrets. Me, the ferrets and the dog, we're going to go in the sea. I don't know if what's going to go in the sea. We'll go down to the beach anyway, and I'm going to go for a dip in the sea. Up! Not going to get underneath that. Down on the beach, I'm going to walk this way, and I believe that's where the I just looked on maps, so I think it is. That's where the wreck is from the trawler. I forgot what they call it on this on Google Maps. They call it. Which one sec? The wreck of this steam trawler, Sheraton. So I'm going to head that way now and let's go and have a little look. There we go, we found it. What's left of it. Yeah, just letting the ferrets out now. So yeah, I'm not going to get tipped because he's useless at following me. Big Rich, he'll stay with me and follow me. Get a titch. Come on, you coming? Yeah, it's time to follow now. Time to miss your dad. Come on. Good boy. You're a good lad, aren't you? come on. There's a guy over here fishing. It's not too far to walk back to the van. I'm gonna fetch me rod. The sun. Oh, get on. I'm not going to be doing any fishing. I've not looked after my reel again since I last used it. It's all seized up. I didn't even think to check before I left the van. So just going to go and have a dip in the sea. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to end it now. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bud. Try and make that look a bit more exciting. Go on, bud. Go on.